In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Dropbox folder permissions. Whether you collaborate with a small team or share files with clients, setting the right level of access keeps your content organized and secure. We'll walk through how to switch someone between editing and viewing rights, how to make someone an owner, and how to prevent members from inviting others. Everything happens on the web, so open a browser, go to dropbox.com and sign into your account. Once you're in, head to the folder you've shared with others. Managing permissions here ensures that the right people can work on files without unexpected changes. To adjust someone's access, hover your mouse over the shared folder and click the three dots that appear on the right. Choose Manage Permissions from the menu. A panel will open showing everyone who currently has access, including individuals and groups. Find the person or group you want to update. Next to their name, click the drop-down, select Can Edit if you want them to add, edit, delete, or move files in that folder. Any edits they make will sync to everyone else who has access, so use this for trusted collaborators who need full control. Select Can View if you want them to see and download files but not change, delete, or reorganize anything for others. This is great for reviewers or stakeholders who just need to stay informed. If appropriate, you can also make someone an owner. Owners have the highest level of control for that shared folder, including managing permissions, so assign ownership only when you want that person to take responsibility for settings and membership. To lock down who can change access, stay in the same permissions window and click the settings gear icon in the top right. Look for the option labeled Manage Access or Who Can Manage Access. Change this to only the owner. This ensures that regular members can't invite new people or change permissions without approval. It's a simple safeguard that keeps your sharing list tidy and prevents accidental oversharing. Remember, if someone already has access, they'll keep it. This setting just controls who can modify access going forward. Those are the essentials. Visit the permissions panel anytime you need to review who has access, switch between Can Edit and Can View, assign ownership when needed, and restrict access changes to the owner. These updates take effect right away and apply across all devices connected to your Dropbox. Make a habit of reviewing permissions on your most important folders so you always know who can do what. Thanks for watching.